this cock. And you thought this day would never come, ne? Sijongo. Ipopai, ikinsa lengini, iposa abantwana. A wise man once said to me, do not rush for revenge, or you'll be confused. Yeah, he was right. Because life is like a game of chess. For you to win, you must make a move. And you made that move. You were smart about it. And you took my father's life away from me. Wow. I congratulate you. I give you the glory. But look at you now. Look at you now. I'm talking to you. You can't even speak for yourself. I see you have these businesses, small businesses. You have a chisanyama, you're selling drugs and you're selling prostitute. Trying to cover all of that up with my father's money. It was not yours. It was mine. You stole it from my father. Do you understand that? You didn't work for it. My father did everything for you guys. He paid the protection fee each and every month. He was there paying you guys, but still you took his life away from me. All I want to know today is why? Why did you have to take it all away from me? Tata!
So you understand, what happened that day was a mistake within a misunderstanding. Your father pulled the gun first and I fired.
No.
Trust me, you won't get away with this. When there's 500,000 in the safe, just take the money and go. Otherwise, you won't get away with this. I did what I had to do, you do what you have to do.
It's not just about money. It's not just about money. It's about his presence in my life as a man. He was a man. He was a breadwinner. I will enjoy seeing you dying today. You won't get away with it. You won't get away with it. And see me dancing and moving like a loopy, and he loved that. He loved that part about me. He used to come each and every Saturday to see me doing my ballet classes and jumping and rolling. Dad, I wanted to jive. See, I used to dance, I used to flex, I used to do these things and jump, but no one is gonna see me dancing now. You took that away from me. You took my life away from me. You took my life away from me, bruh. You and I, let's drink.